Okay, tell Mommy about the leprechaun.
He made a mess somewhere there by my daddy's car.
Is the leprechaun naughty or nice?
Naughty.
What does he look like?
He looks like a shape, like a triangle or a square. We gotta find that leprechaun.
Why?
Because he's making a mess somewhere, looking somewhere to us.
Is he naughty?
He is naughty.
Does he have hair?
Yep, he did.
What color?
Green hair.
How does the leprechaun get around? Does he walk? Does he walk? Does he fly? What does he do?
He's walk and fly and swim.
He can swim?
Yeah. And he walk to us. Maybe a day in my house. He might be hiding somewhere. Might be hiding somewhere nearby. Let me see the leprechaun. Let me see it.
You want to see the leprechaun?
Yeah, leprechaun there.
I don't know where he is.
You have to find him on there.
Oh, you think the leprechaun's on my phone?
Yeah, find him.
I don't know.
Oh! Maybe we can find him.
Should we go look in the garden?
Yeah. Might be hiding somewhere.
Okay. You tell Grandma and Grandfather hello?
No.
Why not?
Because I want to find the leprechaun.
Okay. Let's go find the leprechaun.
Don't put me a leprechaun somewhere, Mommy.
Okay. Let's go find him.